today we start our new chapter, the Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we are going to begin with the football, a game. Many of you have probably heard of or even played. As the name suggests, this is a game that involves the player's feet. According to the rules of football, if the ball touches the arm of any player except the goalkeeper, then this is considered a foul. So, if players start holding a football in their hand and passing it around, then they are not playing football anymore. बच्चों यहाँ पर जो हम जिस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ना मतलब स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो कि हमारा एक संविधान है, भारतीय संविधान के बारे में बात करेंगे। यहाँ पर उन्होंने एक एग्ज़ाम्पल दिया है जिसके अंदर फुटबॉल, जो कि हमारी फ़ुटबॉल है, उसके अंदर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों को प्लस किया जाता है जिसके अंदर फ़ुटबॉल से फुट से मतलब पैरों से ही खेली जाए, उसमें टच नहीं कर सकते, जो प्लेयर है वो उसे हाथ से टच नहीं कर सकते, ना ही वहाँ का कीपर। अगर ऐसा कुछ करते हैं तो वो फाउल माना जाता है। ऐसे ही कुछ एनी अदर्स प्लेयर्स हैं जो प्लेइंग गेम्स है। सिमिलरली द गेम्स सच एज हॉकी और क्रिकेट ऑल्सो हैव रूल अकॉर्डिंग विच दे आर प्लेड। जैसे हॉकी और क्रिकेट है, वैसे ही फुटबॉल में भी कुछ रूल्स थे, वही हमारे हॉकी और क्रिकेट के अंदर भी रूल्स हैं जिनके बिहाफ पर हमें आगे गेम कैरी ऑन रखना पड़ता है। एंड दिस आर द फंडामेंटल टू गेम, वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल दैम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिव रूल्स ऑफ गेम। कुछ ऐसे लिखित आप देख सकते हैं रूल्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम बदल नहीं सकते, और ये फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं गेम्स के। लाइक दिस गेम द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो हैव कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिव रूल दैट मेक इट विथ what it is and differentiated it from other kinds of societies. In large society, which different communities of people live together, these rules are formulated through the consensus, and in modern countries and consensus is usually available in written form. A written document in which we find such rule is called constitution. जो कि written में होते हैं वो ही हमारे क्या होते हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस होते हैं, जिसे हम रियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स मानते हैं, जिसे हम बदल नहीं सकते। ये लिखित में होते हैं, इसीलिए हम इसमें चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते, और ये हमारे संविधान का एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट होता है। वी हैव लुक एट द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन क्लास 6th and 7th in our social and political life textbook. Have you ever wondered why we need a constitution, or been curious about how the constitution got written or who wrote it? In this chapter, we will discuss both these issues and also look at the key features of Indian Constitution. क्या की फीचर्स हैं वो हम हमारे इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस के चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। In this chapter, we will discuss both these issues and also look at the key features of the Indian Constitution. Each of these features is circular to the working democracy in India, and some of these will be the focus of different chapters in the book. Okay, बच्चों, this is the main part of the constitution. If you have anything else, if like a game, you have a rules regulation, so you have to do this, then you accept everything. Okay, so this is the democracy in India. You have to written document in our constitution. We read this chapter. Okay, then why does the country need a constitution? Today, most countries in the world have a constitution, while all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution. It is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. The constitution serves several purposes. First, it lays out certain ideas that form the basic of kinds of country that we citizens aspire in living. Or put another way, a constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. A country is usually made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on the issues. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as a basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. This includes not only the type of government but also an agreement on certain ideas that they all believe the country should uphold. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पर हमने सबसे मेन फोकस इसी चीज़ पे करना है कि हमारी कंट्री को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की नीड क्यों होती है. Why does a country need a constitution? Because of that, if we have to consult everything for the democratic countries, then I likely to have a constitution. It is not necessary to countries that have the constitution are democratic, but it is necessary for the written form for the document. We have to need every rule and regulation. So country need a constitution. Okay, that's all today. If anything else, we have to consult our next class. Then time, you stay safe and please follow the guideline. Thank you everyone.